If OBS Studio recordings look blurry, it usually means your resolution, bitrate, or scaling settings are incorrect. First, open OBS Studio and go to Settings Arrow Video. Make sure your base resolution matches your monitor resolution, such as 1920 by 1080. Set output resolution to the same value or lower only if your PC is weak. Next, go to Settings Arrow Output and increase your recording bitrate. Low bitrate is a common cause of blurry video. For 1080p recording, use a higher bitrate for clearer quality. Make sure you are using hardware encoding NVENC or AMD if available for better quality and performance. Check if downscale filter is set to Lanczos, which gives better sharpness. Avoid scaling your video inside the preview window too much, as it can reduce clarity. Go to Sources and make sure Display Capture is capturing at full resolution, not a smaller window. Close unnecessary background apps to ensure OBS can record at full performance. Restart OBS Studio after changing settings. If it still looks blurry, increase bitrate further or switch recording format to MKV for better stability. These steps will fix most OBS Studio blurry recording problems and improve video quality.